Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can possibly get a Reels bonus on your Reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, the Reels bonus program was a program that enabled creators to get paid based on their reels. However, recently, or I'm pretty sure late last year, that program was completely shut down. Now, I'm pretty sure that was a trial version of this program, so it is possible that it will return in the future. However, at the current moment, it is sadly not possible to get those bonuses anymore. So you'll either have to wait to get them, or well, it's just not possible in any other way. The only alternative that I can get you is that you can very easily go ahead and make sponsored content, since people or companies do search for people to sponsor, to give them money or products for free in order for them to promote them. However, just in case this program returns, I will give you the rules for this. And as you can see, the Instagram Play Reels bonus pretty much doesn't have any 100% clear rules. The only clear rule that it does have is that creators must get a minimum of 1,000 views on their reels in 30 days, and you do need to have a public creator or brand account. Other than that, the criteria are not that clear. Pretty much you need to be invited to the program by Instagram themselves, or themselves. If they don't invite you, then there is no way to get in there by yourself. There is no sort of application process. You just need to wait for them to get a hold of you, and maybe if you get a hold of them through support or something, you might be able to speed that process up. However, as I mentioned, at the current moment, this is just not possible. If it ever returns, the only criteria is you need to be a public creator or brand account with at least 1,000 views on your reels in 30 days. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.